Hi, Ken. We would like to schedule a visit to your factory next Tuesday. Please check and confirm.
Dear Angel, welcome to our factory. Please allow me to check with our top managers, and I will confirm in 10 minutes. Could you advise whether you will come in the morning or afternoon?
We have not fixed the time yet. However, we will review the current order situation, as we have some issues that need to be discussed. We will also check your capacity and have some reminders for the next season, including a factory tour. Therefore, we might work the whole day. Please arrange the necessary items for the meeting.
Well noted. We will prepare our meeting agenda. Since we will be working the whole day, we would like to invite your team to have lunch together.
We have many issues to check and discuss, so please arrange fast food for lunch, and we will eat in your canteen to save time. Thank you for your invitation.
Understood. Could you advise how many people from your team will arrive so that we can arrange accordingly?
Our team will include me, a technician, a quality assurance manager, and a sales manager.
That's great. We will have a good opportunity to learn from your team. Do we need to arrange pickup for your team?
Yes, please. I will inform you of the pickup address and time later. Please provide your vehicle registration number and driver information for tracking.
Yes, I will. Since we will arrange a welcome board, please also provide your team's name list.
Okay, Ken. I will message you with the details.
Thank you. We will arrange everything for our meeting. See you then.